It's pouring in Bombay and other parts as well of Maharashtra. And southwest monsoons have already covered Goa and reached Devgarh in Maharashtra's South Konkan region. Now, the usual date for monsoon to reach Maharashtra is 5th of June. But this year, it has arrived 10 days earlier. Parts of Karnataka also are seeing, including, which is Bengaluru, seeing some bit of a rain. Then there's Andhra Pradesh and remaining parts of Tamil Nadu are expected to witness monsoon over the next 3 days. Heavy showers lashed in Mumbai, especially. Large parts of the city reported severe waterlogging, disrupting traffic, flights as well as railway operations. IMD sees likely spells of intense rain, gusty winds and thunderstorms in the coming hours. We have Santhya who's joining with us to give us the latest update on this one. Santhya, over to you.
So, Vinny, monsoon has officially arrived in Mumbai, and while we talk about and why exactly this monsoon is all about records, I would like to show some visuals. I'm right now in Mumbai's Hindmata area. It's a usually notorious area when it comes to water logging, and you can see we're trying to show you that this road which goes towards Dadar, how this entire road is waterlogged. And let's talk about this year's monsoon. As you were mentioning, that the onset in Kerala happened on 24th of May. That is 1 week ahead of its usual schedule. Second, within 24 hours, monsoon travelled and the onset happened in Maharashtra. So before this, it happened only in 1971 and 2012 that monsoon travelled from Kerala to Maharashtra within 24 hours. Another record is that monsoon has reached Mumbai on 26th of May. The usual arrival of monsoon's date in Mumbai is 11th of June. So around 17 days ahead of its schedule. That is another record. Now, let me talk about what has been happening in the city since last night. So the city witnessed heavy rainfall last night, which continued in the morning and now also in some parts of the city it's raining heavily. IMD earlier, that is yesterday, had issued a yellow warning for the city, which was upgraded to orange alert this morning, and now it has upgraded the warning for the rest of the day from orange to red alert. That means heavy to very heavy rainfall is expected to happen in Mumbai. The reason waterlogging is to this extent because the high tide was at 11:24. It was a 4.75 meter high tide, Vinny, which coincided with heavy rainfall that led to waterlogging in your usual low-lying areas, whether it's your Hindmata, the place where I am, Science Circle, your Dada TT, your parts of JJ. In fact, in western suburbs, parts of Andheri subway, Milan subway, all these areas, waterlogging, all these areas are witnessing waterlogging. For the rest of the day, there is red alert for Mumbai. Heavy rainfall is expected in the remaining parts of MMR as well, Vinny, whether it's Thane, Navi Mumbai, other parts of Raigad as well. Other than this is monsoon, one phenomenon. There is another phenomenon which is active in the state. One is a trough which is moving from a low pressure area, which has now developed, which has now reduced to a well-marked area towards North Telangana. That is second system which is working in Maharashtra. Third one was a depression which has now reduced to a well-marked area. All these three systems combined, all these three developments combined are leading to heavy rainfall in Mumbai, MMR region, and parts of Madhya Maharashtra and some parts of Western Maharashtra as well, Vinny. The impact, I would once again request my camera person to show you some more visuals of the same area. The heavy rainfall has affected the railway local services also in the city. Central Railway is running at a delay of 20 minutes and harbour line between Wadala and CSMT remains suspended. Vinny.
Okay, Santhya, thank you so much for giving us the latest update in terms of what's happening, especially in Mumbai as well, where we're seeing flooding coming in, as well as the other parts of Maharashtra. But talking about the rains which have disrupted travel as well, 2 flights from Mumbai airport were diverted due to the bad weather, with Air India's Goa to Mumbai flight being diverted to Indore, and Air India's Ahmedabad to Mumbai flight went back to Ahmedabad. Now, officials say between 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. there were 3 windows where no flights arrived 5 to 10 minutes late due to visibility concerns. Officials also say that the low visibility operations procedures has aided departures to continue and amid the concerns that are going on in terms of the heavy rains that we're seeing in the city. So that's the latest update that we have for you all in terms of the heavy rainfalls that we're seeing in the city. But